In this video, we listed the 15 best cheap kitchen gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: New High Commercial Burger Patty Maker. The New High Commercial Burger Patty Maker is a versatile and efficient tool designed for professionals and home cooks who prioritize convenience and quality in patty preparation. This 3-in-1 hamburger press enables users to create perfectly shaped patties in 4-inch, 5-inch, or 6-inch sizes, accommodating various burger styles and preferences. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and easy cleaning, making it ideal for commercial kitchens, restaurants, or avid home chefs. Key features include a hamburger forming processor that simplifies the patty-making process, allowing users to work with a variety of meats such as beef, pork, and chicken. The package includes 1,200 patty papers, which prevent sticking and ensure that patties maintain their shape, making them easy to store and cook. Product 2. Product name: Silicone Baking Mat Set of 4. The Silicone Baking Mat Set of 4 by Guanxi offers a versatile, non-stick solution for all your baking needs. Designed to cater to a variety of culinary tasks, this set includes durable, reusable baking mats ideal for preparing macarons, cookies, pastries, bread, buns, pizza, and more. The mats are crafted from premium food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and durability while providing a convenient alternative to disposable parchment paper or cooking sprays. Key features: non-stick surface. The mats feature a smooth, non-stick finish, allowing for easy food release and effortless cleanup. Reusable and eco-friendly. Designed to withstand frequent use, these mats help reduce waste by replacing single-use baking sheets or parchment paper. Versatile use. Perfect for a wide range of baking applications, from creating delicate macarons to robust pizzas, making it an essential tool for amateur bakers and professionals alike. Heat resistance. With the ability to handle high temperatures, these mats are safe for use in ovens up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit 250 degrees Celsius. Product 3. Product name: Sopito Professional French Fry Cutter. The Sopito Professional French Fry Cutter is a high-quality kitchen tool designed for effortless cutting of potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and other vegetables into perfectly uniform pieces. Made of durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to rust or corrosion, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen. Key features: efficient cutting blade. Equipped with a 1/2-inch stainless steel blade, this cutter allows you to produce evenly sized French fries or vegetable sticks quickly and with minimal effort. Versatile use. While perfect for potatoes, it is also highly effective for other firm vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and zucchinis, enhancing its utility in meal preparation. Durable construction. The robust stainless steel body ensures durability and stability, even during intensive use. User-friendly design. Its ergonomic handle reduces strain during operation, making it easy for users of all skill levels to achieve consistent results. Product 4. Product name: Cuisinart Panini Press. The Cuisinart Panini Press, stainless steel griddler, GR, for NP1 is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to handle a wide range of cooking tasks. Its 5-in-1 functionality includes a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill, half griddle, making it an essential addition for cooking enthusiasts. This multifunctionality aligns with your interest in efficient and innovative kitchen tools, complementing your focus on baking and culinary appliances. Key features: stainless steel build, durable and easy to clean. The brushed stainless steel housing adds a modern aesthetic to any kitchen. Reversible cooking plates. Non-stick plates are removable and dishwasher safe, offering convenience for cleaning and versatility in cooking. Adjustable temperature controls. Precise knobs allow for easy temperature adjustments to suit various recipes. Floating hinge design. The hinge adjusts to accommodate different thicknesses of sandwiches and foods, making it ideal for paninis, burgers, and more. Product 5. Product name Cold Brew Coffee Maker. The Takia patented Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a versatile and innovative tool for crafting smooth and flavorful cold brew coffee at home. Designed for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience, freshness, and high-quality results, this coffee maker offers an easy way to enjoy cafe-quality cold brew without relying on external equipment or store-bought options. Key features include airtight design. The pitcher is equipped with a black, leak-proof lid to maintain freshness, prevent spills, and ensure easy storage in refrigerators. Generous capacity. With a 2-quart capacity, it's ideal for brewing multiple servings at once, making it perfect for families, offices, or avid coffee drinkers. BPA-free material. Made from durable, BPA-free Tritan plastic, the pitcher is lightweight, shatterproof, and safe for everyday use. Fine mesh filter. The patented filter prevents coffee grounds from escaping into the brew, ensuring a smooth and sediment-free beverage. It's compatible with both coarsely ground coffee and loose-leaf tea. Product 6. Product name Goilser Silicone Egg Rings. The GOYLSER Silicone Egg Rings are versatile and innovative kitchen tools designed to elevate your breakfast game. These egg rings are ideal for making egg McMuffins, pancakes, patties, and English muffins. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, they offer a non-stick surface that ensures easy release and effortless cleaning. The foldable design makes them compact and convenient for storage, perfect for modern kitchens. These round crumpet ring molds provide consistent shapes for uniform cooking, making them a great choice for preparing neatly portioned meals. Their heat-resistant and durable material ensures safe use on griddles, frying pans, and stovetops, catering to various cooking styles. Whether you're creating classic breakfast sandwiches or experimenting with creative recipes, the Goilser Silicone Egg Rings combine practicality and functionality to meet the needs of home cooks and enthusiasts of innovative cooking gadgets. Product 7. Product name Chefman Electric Kettle. The Chefman Electric Kettle is a versatile and stylish appliance designed to elevate your tea-making and water-boiling experience. With its 1.8-liter capacity, this electric kettle is perfect for brewing multiple servings of tea, preparing instant meals, or simply heating water efficiently. Its temperature control feature offers 5 preset settings, ensuring the ideal temperature for various types of tea and beverages. The LED indicator lights provide a user-friendly way to monitor the heating process. A standout feature is the removable tea infuser, which allows users to steep loose-leaf teas directly in the kettle, combining convenience and functionality. The durable glass construction with stainless steel accents not only ensures longevity but also adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Its 360-degree swivel base enhances usability, making it easy to lift and place the kettle from any angle. Product 8. Product name Hewlison Stainless Steel Biscuit Cutter Set. The Hewlison Stainless Steel Biscuit Cutter Set is a professional-grade baking tool set designed for both novice and experienced bakers. It includes a dough blender, a pastry scraper, and a set of stainless steel biscuit cutters, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the tools are built to last and resist rust, ensuring consistent performance over time. Key features. Ergonomic rubber grip. The tools feature a comfortable, non-slip rubber grip that minimizes hand fatigue during extended use, making baking tasks more enjoyable. Versatile functionality. The dough blender is perfect for mixing butter or margarine into dry ingredients for flaky pastry dough. The pastry scraper aids in cutting and transferring dough, as well as cleaning work surfaces. Product 9. Product name Big Slicer Shredder. The Big Slicer Shredder attachment is an innovative accessory designed to enhance the versatility of KitchenAid stand mixers. Constructed with durable stainless steel, this attachment is ideal for effortlessly shredding, slicing, and grating a variety of ingredients. Whether you're preparing cheese, vegetables, fruits, or other salad components, the Slicer Shredder streamlines the process, making meal preparation quicker and more efficient. Key features of this attachment include 3 cutting blades. The shredder comes with 3 thick cutting blades tailored for slicing, coarse shredding, and fine shredding. This variety allows you to achieve the desired texture for your recipes, whether you're making coleslaw, grating cheese, or slicing cucumbers for a salad. Ease of use. Designed specifically for KitchenAid mixers, the attachment easily connects to the power hub, ensuring a secure and stable fit. Once attached, it leverages the mixer's motor power to handle even tough ingredients. Dishwasher safe. Cleaning is hassle-free, as all components are dishwasher safe. This convenience makes it an excellent choice for busy cooks looking to minimize cleanup time. Product 10. Product name KitchenAid KSMPDX Pastor Deluxe Set. The KitchenAid KSMPDX Pastor Deluxe Set is a versatile 5-piece stand mixer attachment set designed for pasta making enthusiasts. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this set is tailored for use with KitchenAid stand mixers, making it an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal. It includes attachments for rolling, cutting, and shaping pasta, offering options for spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna sheets, and more. With its premium build and compatibility, the KitchenAid KSMPDX complements the user's interest in baking tools and kitchen appliances. The set's ease of use and high-quality craftsmanship align perfectly with the needs of individuals who value functionality and durability in their kitchen tools. This attachment set streamlines the pasta-making process, ensuring professional-grade results at home, while its design ensures easy cleaning and long-term use, making it a worthy investment for culinary enthusiasts. Product 11. Product name Pasta Drying Rack. The pasta drying rack, specifically the large wood pasta rack collapsible for fresh pasta noodle spaghetti dryer hanger stand, is an essential tool for anyone who enjoys homemade pasta. This drying rack is designed to efficiently dry freshly made pasta, such as noodles and spaghetti, by providing ample space for the strands to hang evenly and air dry. Its large size ensures that multiple servings of pasta can be dried at once, making it perfect for family meals or small gatherings. The rack is collapsible, offering convenience for storage when not in use. Its sturdy wooden construction not only adds a touch of rustic charm to the kitchen but also ensures durability and reliability for long-term use. This makes it a great choice for both beginner and seasoned pasta makers, as it helps prevent pasta from sticking together while drying. Product 12. Product name Gorilla Grip Stainless Steel Cookie Scoop. The Gorilla Grip Stainless Steel Cookie Scoop for baking is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify the process of portioning dough and other foods. This 2-tablespoon scoop can be used not only for baking cookies but also as a melon baller, meatball scoop, and for portioning other foods with precision. Its ergonomic spring-loaded handle ensures easy release of dough, making it ideal for consistent portions without the mess. Made from durable stainless steel, this scoop is built to last and is BPA-free, offering peace of mind in food safety. The size 30 scoop ensures perfect portion sizes every time, whether you're baking or preparing other treats. Its multi-purpose design makes it a must-have for those who enjoy baking or preparing other foods like meatballs or fruit salads. This tool combines convenience, functionality, and quality, aligning well with the user's interest in reliable kitchen appliances and baking tools. Product 13. Product name Vacuum Sealer. Their Vacuum Sealer Plus 30 bags, is an efficient and practical kitchen appliance designed to help preserve food and extend its shelf life. This vacuum sealer system works by removing air from specially designed bags, effectively sealing food and preventing oxidation, freezer burn, and spoilage. It is ideal for storing perishable items, leftovers, and bulk foods, ensuring they remain fresh for a longer period. The included 30 vacuum seal bags provide an added convenience, allowing you to start using the sealer immediately. These bags are specifically designed to withstand the vacuum process and help maintain the freshness of meats, fruits, vegetables, and other food items. Additionally, the sealer's compact design makes it easy to store in your kitchen, taking up minimal counter space. Product 14. Product name Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper. The Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor, Model 72850, is a versatile kitchen tool designed to simplify food preparation. With its 3-cup capacity and 350-watt motor, this compact appliance is ideal for a variety of tasks such as dicing, mincing, and pureeing vegetables, fruits, and other ingredients. Whether you're preparing ingredients for soups, sauces, or salads, the Hamilton Beach Chopper makes quick work of chopping, dicing, or mincing, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Its powerful motor ensures efficient chopping, while the sleek black design adds a modern touch to your kitchen counter. The compact size makes it easy to store, and the simple operation is user-friendly, especially for those who prefer a more hands-on, less complicated approach to meal prep. With the Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper, meal prep becomes faster and more convenient, providing consistent, fine results with minimal mess. Product 15. Product name: Nunis Premium Pineapple Corer. The Nunis Premium Pineapple Corer Remover with an upgraded, reinforced, and thicker blade is a kitchen tool designed to make the process of coring and slicing pineapples easier and more efficient. It is an ideal gadget for anyone who frequently enjoys fresh pineapple, whether for snacking, baking, or adding to smoothies. This corer is equipped with a sturdy, thicker blade that ensures durability and ease of use. The blade's reinforcement provides a more reliable cutting experience, allowing for quick and smooth extraction of the pineapple's core without damaging the fruit. The ergonomic black handle offers a comfortable grip, making it easy to twist and remove the core in a single motion.